Good morning everyone. Today's video is an extension of the series Plants in My Balcony. In the first video I showed you how to make organic fertilizers using orange peels. Now we are using banana peels that we throw. हम जल्दी फेंक देते हैं अपने घर से. Bananas is something which is very common. We have it in breakfast, also as a snack. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the series Plants in My Balcony. The second video of organic fertilizers that I'm sharing with you is banana peel fertilizers. In the first video of organic fertilizers, I showed you basically how to make fertilizers from orange peel. Today's we are using banana. Now, if you can see, we have used banana in two different forms. One, the banana peels have been cut into small pieces and they are now sun-dried. They are not completely dried, so I'll just keep it here like this for 2-3 days more. And then this would be crushed. This banana peels, when they'll be dried up completely, they will be crushed and they will be put into the different pots for their nutrients. The second is, as you can see, in a glass jar, what I have kept banana peels, the leftover peels that the bananas are so easily and commonly we eat in our homes because of so many good benefits. It has potassium, it keeps us healthy, it has so many essential nutrients, it prevents acidity. So banana is very commonly used in every home. So the peels, we are not throwing the peels in the garbage bin, we are using it for making organic fertilizers for our plants so that they also bloom nicely. Now this is a glass jar. I've kept this peels in water say 2 days before because it's summer, so 2 days are enough. In winters you can place this water for about a week and then you can use it, but because summers are there, so it can smell bad if you keep it for so long, and if you keep it in sunlight, basically the nutrients will come into the water extract. So I have kept it for 2 days. Now I am using it for my plants. So what we are doing now, we are shifting it to a bottle, a plastic bottle, which is now used as a sprayer because I've put holes on the top, on the lid of the bottle, so it can be used for spraying this concoction into the plants. So this is what we have done. Whatever water was made in the extract using banana peels, now we have put them into a bottle because it's easy for spraying. और ये आप देखिए ऊपर I have put holes so it can be used as a spraying bottle now. And now what we have to do, we just have to go and spray it to our plants because I'm growing organic veggies in my home right now, so it's always better not to use chemicals because if they are sprayed they can have a lot of toxicity in human body. So whatever natural, more the natural things, more is better for our organic plants. I'm growing pumpkins and pineapple and tulsi, curry patta, karela, nimbu. So all of my plants will get little amount of this fertilizers today, and you can give it like once in a week or maybe in a fortnight, 15 days आप इसको use कर सकते हो, and it will be effective for the growth of the plants. Now the peel provides essential nutrients including potassium, small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium. But there is also one downfall, that because it is high in sugar content, so it can attract a lot of insects into your balcony, including the bees. So this is one of the downfall. It can attract a lot of insects in the balcony. Otherwise this can boost the growth of plants manifold. So the fertilizer is ready. We didn't have to do anything much, so it is very simple to make. And now what are we going to use? We are going to use it in our plants. Spray. So I'm spraying it on my plants, karela and pumpkin, and just look at this. I want to show you this. We had just potted this pumpkin seeds 3-4 days back. I've shared a video also, and see now 3 of them are sprouting. 4 seeds we planted and it has grown well, so 3 are coming up. So I'm putting it here. So it's going on each and every pot, because even if it is giving nutrients, so there is nothing bad even if you're spraying on different plants. So it always gives a good look to your foliage, even if you're putting it only on the ornamental and foliage plants. So I'm putting it on all. I hope you like this video, because it's an easy method of providing nutrient to the plants. Plus the second purpose of course is there, to reduce waste from the homes. I'm still not able to become zero waste house, but yes, I'm trying that whatever biodegradable leaf peels and fruits can be used, use it in a more efficient way. So I'm putting it completely on the money plant. Thank you so much. Keep watching for more videos. If you really like it, do like, share, subscribe, and put your suggestions in comments. Thank you so much.